Hey traders, and welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic I know many of you dream about: how to build a 7-figure trading portfolio in 2024. And yes, it is possible even if you're starting small. With the rise of online prop firms, getting access to large amounts of capital has never been more accessible. But how do you actually get there? Let's break it down step by step. So first, let's talk capital. First off, trading capital is much easier to access than it was just a few years ago. I'm not saying that trading itself has become easier, far from it, but the playing field has leveled quite a bit. Today, retail traders like you and me have the opportunity to manage serious amounts of capital thanks to prop firms. If you're not familiar with them, which I believe all of you are, prop firms like Lux Trading are offering you their capital in exchange for a profit split. This is one of the fastest ways to scale up and manage larger portfolios while still growing your own accounts on the side. And here's why scaling is the key. Imagine you've got a 10,000 trading account. A 1% gain is $100. Not bad, but you're not quitting your day job on that. Now picture a $1 million account. A 1% gain is 10 grand. That's life-changing money right there. But more than just a financial boost, having a larger portfolio allows you to trade smarter. You can take on less risk per trade, use better risk management, and still see significant returns. The first step is profitability. Now, let's get real. Before you even think about scaling your trading capital, you need to be consistently profitable. This is the step that so many traders tend to skip, and it's where most of them fail. You can't just throw money at the markets and hope for the best. We've all seen traders trying to scale up too quickly without having a solid foundation, and the result is genuinely a disaster. To even consider scaling, you should be making at least 0.5% to 1% return consistently each month. That may not seem like much on a small account, but if you can't handle a $100 account, there's no way you'll survive $1 million. So, spend your time backtesting, refining your strategy, and making sure it works over the long term. Develop a rules-based approach that can weather the ups and downs of the markets. So, how do you actually grow your capital? Once you got your strategy down, it's time to grow. And this is where prop firms come into play. Let's take Lux as an example. We offer trading evaluations where you can prove your profitability. You start with a demo account anywhere of up to $1 million. And if you pass the challenge, you're giving real capital to trade with. And here's the kicker. For every 10% profit you make on your account, you get a capital increase. It pretty much doubles. This means that in just a few stages, you could be managing millions of dollars. The scaling potential here is way faster than trying to grow your own account, and even if you're taking big risks. But remember, the key is consistency and following the rules. This isn't about gambling your way to the top. Alright, now let's talk about something that is just as important as your strategy, and that is your mindset. Managing large amounts of capital sounds exciting, but the reality can be quite overwhelming, and if you're trading a $1 million account, 1% drawdown means you're down 10 grand. That's more than what a lot of people make in a month. If you hit a 3.5% drawdown, you're down 35k. That's almost the median UK salary. It's a lot to handle and it can mess with your head. That's why trading psychology is absolutely crucial. Journaling your trades, working on your emotional discipline, and even having a mentor can all make the difference when you're managing large sums of money. In fact, Lux offers mentorship to help traders navigate the mental challenges that come with big portfolios. And finally, is it possible to build that 7-figure portfolio? Absolutely, but you've got to put the work in upfront, focus on profitability, hone your strategy, and then use prop firms to scale your capital quickly. If you do it right, the rewards can be huge. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your trading journey, consider partnering with a reputable prop firm like Lux Trading. The opportunity is there for those who are prepared. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.